The SMX series of next-generation complex machining centers deliver outstanding operability and ease of maintenance, thanks to their ergonomic design. The adoption of an orthogonal V-axis structure has expanded the machining area, improved productivity, and increased the operator's work area, thereby boosting the operator's convenience. With just one setting, powerful complex machining capability using V-axis, milling and 2 spindles realizes the productivity of more than 3 ordinary machine tools. Producing a small quantity of multiple items that used to require 2 to 3 machines now requires only 1 machine and 1 setting. By reducing both time and manpower, costs can be reduced and productivity increased. Virtually any shape can be machined in no time through turning, end milling, face milling, drilling, and tapping. Based on a structural analysis design, the SMX series maintains high rigidity. High-speed, high-capacity spindles and feed shafts enable outstanding cutting performance. In an orthogonal structure, the Y-axis machining scope has been expanded, and because of an increased machining area and bar turning diameter, the series can work on bigger and longer workpieces. A cooling device to prevent deformation minimizes the heat deformation of the workpiece. Also, the precision control feature powered by a 0.0001 program degree of BNC axes guarantees the best high-precision work performance. The SMX series delivers maximized convenience through the introduction of ergonomic designs. The magazine placed in front helps the user check and replace tools easily and provides a convenient ATC control feature. The machine's curved appearance improved the accessibility. The height-adjustable, swiveling, and movable operating panel enhances user convenience. High precision and enhanced convenience. Complex machining centers of Puma SMX series promise the shared growth.